Hi, how's it going? It's Hisu. In my last video I talked about why I went gluten-free about a year ago. I don't have celiac disease, but if you're interested in that, go check out that video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that little red button below. I'm also vegan, so I actually wanted to show you what I do eat in a typical day, so that's why I shot this video. I also work out quite a bit, so it's important for me to get the highest quality proteins and fats to minimize inflammation and maximize muscle gain and fat burning. So with that said, let's jump into breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having a maca cacao smoothie. Maca is extremely energizing and great for libido, great way to start your day. It's an adaptogen, so it balances out your hormones. It's even used as an alternative to hormone replacement therapy. Cacao and cacao nibs add a great chocolatey flavor and a little crunch to the smoothie. They're very high in antioxidants, fiber, magnesium, potassium, iron, and give the same mood-enhancing benefits of chocolate. Tons of great ingredients, as you can see. We don't really give measurements because we just pretty much eyeball it, a tablespoon or two. We use cashew milk, but you can use any plant-based milk. We add 2 or 3 frozen bananas, hemp seeds, big spoonful of maca. It tastes really good in smoothies actually. Cacao nibs and powder, and blue agave for sweetener. It's really important because it won't taste very good without that. We use peanut butter or almond butter and blend it up. So for our gluten-free lunch, we're having rice noodles with tofu and peanut sauce. Just some of the basic ingredients: rice noodles, tofu. We add mixed cabbage and carrots, that's the main thing, but you can add any vegetables you want. We like to use the super firm tofu. It has 15 grams of protein per serving and 5 servings per container. It's got a great texture and consistency. It takes on the flavor of whatever you add to it. Some red bell pepper. Coconut aminos actually has a really mild sweet taste. We marinate the tofu for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the rice noodles to the boiling water. Just takes a couple minutes. Simmer the green onions in coconut oil. Add the marinated tofu. Add the red pepper. We salt it. Add the cabbage, mix it all up. Add the rice noodles. And the peanut sauce. Not all peanut sauce is gluten-free, so look for that when you buy it. You can make a lot of this so you have food for several meals. Really delicious.
Let's go have some fun.
Well, it's Friday night, so we're making a very special dinner. Creamy polenta Alfredo with, quote, chicken. The polenta is from cornmeal. It's got a great texture. When you mix it up, you don't want to mash it too much to where it gets powdery. You want some of that lumpiness, so it gives it good texture like this. You add it to a pan with some coconut oil. Add some great tasting mushrooms. Nutritional yeast has a somewhat cheesy taste, and it's really high in vitamin B12. It's easy to sprinkle on your food to get those B vitamins. We're using about a half cup in this sauce, more or less. So for the sauce, we just add the cashews, the nutritional yeast, the lemon, and some cashew milk. You can use almond milk as well. And just eyeball it. You'll get the hang of it after a couple times. And blend it up good so it's really creamy. And the spicy chicken veggie burger is a delicious touch to this meal. Fry it up, flip it over so it's nice and brown on both sides. Add some green onion. And then just add the Alfredo sauce. So you get a lot of protein in this meal from the cashews and the veggie burger. Throw in some spinach at the end. Since it's Friday night, we're going to have a little red wine as well. Not everyone knows that not all wine is vegan. They actually use egg whites to filter out the particulate matter. La Granja is a wonderful company. They support Farm Sanctuary, which is a sanctuary for rescued animals. We are feasting tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, just leave a comment. And check me out on Instagram under Whitten Method. I'll see you next time.